Hello, how are you? So today, I finally received the package that I've been waiting for the past 3 months. This was a purchase I made from Speedcube shop back in 1st of April. It was supposed to have been delivered by the end of the month, but unfortunately due to the pandemic, uh, it went through hell. So, good thing that after I spoke to Cameron on several occasions, we managed to make arrangements. Like he basically upgraded my delivery to FedEx free of charge, just like the other purchase that I made with them. It took a while. Uh, I'm seeing that the problem was due to the time difference. Speedcube shop is really located in California, while we are here in Salala, and so the problem didn't even finish or ended there. This package arrived in Muscat on the 25th of this month. Of this month. So that's in Muscat, which is basically 1,000 kilometers away from where we are. So it left Muscat apparently on the 27th, or I think it was 28th, and it was supposed to have been delivered yesterday or the day before in the morning. So when I checked with FedEx Salala, they told me that the package hasn't arrived yet, and just this morning, when I check the tracking website, it is showing that it suddenly changed the information from showing the expected delivery, which was yesterday, to saying that there's no delivery schedule at this time. It's saying it's pending. So it just added to the frustration. Good thing when I called FedEx Salala, the local office here. They told me that the package arrived. So I hope that this is worth the wait. Basically, almost 3 months, or yeah, almost 3 months. So here we go. We're gonna open it up. This is the one that I purchased was GAN 356M. It's not the top of the line of GAN, but you know. Just like what I've been telling my friends, I'm not gonna do this competitively. So what I have is what I would like is something that is at least on an average performance, if not the best. And I just added a few. So let's see. So these are items. Nothing's in here. We have the invoice. So here we are. We have the GAN cube. We have the key magnetic pyraminx, and we have the YJ timer. This is the new release, and I'm hoping that someday this will be like will become a standard or accepted standard in the competition. So you can check out their reviews in their channel Speedcube Shop, and I just ordered some stand for my current cube. So here we go. These are the white stands. These are version 3 stands in white color. So they have the logo Speedcube Shop. Good. And they also have the clear ones. And now we're gonna open up the timer. What I like about this timer is it's not bulky. It saves space, unlike the regular speed stock timer that they are using right now. So they come with some handles. Now we're gonna try it out. I think it needs AAA batteries, so I won't be able to test that right now. So these are the infrared sensors. They have both left and right. This is the jack for the external display. So you have to use two AAA batteries. And this is the display. I'm just gonna go back and watch the video about this one, so I would know how to operate it. So let's put it on the side. Let's do this one. So basically, I learned how to solve pyramids about 3 weeks ago. When I got tired solving the 3x3, I just basically tried to do it. I watched a tutorial for like 10 minutes and applied. This is just a basic one. Basically, I tried to learn it just for the sake of being able to solve it. So at the moment, my current best time is, if I'm not mistaken, 12 seconds. You can check it out on my Instagram account. The IG account is Cordapio007. So we're gonna open it up. This is a magnetic pyramids. The colors are good. It's basically the same one with what I was using. Yeah, it turns smoothly. So I'm not gonna do any soles, but just letting it's actually smooth. So package is okay. Comes with a pamphlet that teaches you how to solve it. So you put it back. And we also have the speedcube. I ordered originally weight 5, but unfortunately due to the time difference that from the time that I purchased it until the time that they delivered it, it became out of stock. So Cameron told me he'll just replace it with something that's a bit closer. Told me it's gonna be weight 6, but apparently they sent me weight 3. So you can also check out the difference between the weight rating of each loop. The lowest is of course the not the smoothest. So we'll try this one later. And here's our main attraction, the GameCube. I'm gonna open it up. So it comes with a box. Wow, neat box. And we have the accessories, I guess. Let's see what's inside. So it has the pouch, the pamphlet, and the pouch. Not bad. Nice. And 356M, when it was released, it was supposed to be a product that's gonna compete with some of the other brands, because as we know, gun is a bit expensive toy. So for a very long time, they stayed that way, and then all of a sudden they just decided, oh, why don't we make something that's more affordable, or something like in the middle or in the average cost. So this costed me something around $24, and it's a magnetic cube. It comes with a spring changer, the tension changer. And but the difference is, unlike other gun like the 356 XS, you cannot change the magnets on this one. Good thing it still has a magnet. At the moment, my current best time on 3x3 is 18.21 seconds, which I did yesterday. So apparently Cameron and his team gave me a free professional setup, so they adjusted the tension for me. They put some glue on it, which I can feel in my hands. See? Yes, the tensions are okay. And this is what I was talking about. As you can see here, they have magnets. But these magnets are, you won't be able to change them, or so they say. Maybe I'm guessing nobody has ever tried it. But I think with some checking, you probably would be able to do that after some time. But I'm not planning on doing it. So these are nice. So this springs, you'll be able to change it. Let's see. So you see, they currently has the blue spring, and it has the adjuster. You can adjust the tension. So I'm not gonna mess with it right now since I don't have any idea how it works. So doesn't seem to okay, there we go. So that's it. I'm gonna upload some of my soles with this cube after some time. Thanks for watching. I'd like to shout out on my niece Julian. She's having the 356 SX, and she's doing great. So this is my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Peace.